In this video, we will cover a suggested fixture setup, the tool setup sheet, and how to set up your stock in preparation for machining your part. As you can see, the stock is being held in a vise which would be mounted to a table within your machine. The origin is located at the top center of the part. The stock is held in a vise on parallels to ensure the end mill does not hit the vise. Here is the tool list. We can see that I will be using two tools to cut the part. A 1-inch flat end mill will be used to cut the steps on the part, and a 1/2-inch drill will be used to drill the holes. Back to the part. At this point, we want to select a machine definition if one does not appear already. If you do not see the mill default machine in the Operations Manager, or if you do not see the Operations Manager, click on View, toggle Operations Manager, and then select Machine Type, Mill, and Default. The default mill will then appear in the Operations Manager. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Alt+O to remove or return the Operations Manager. A machine definition is a model of your machine's capabilities, features, and acts like a template for setting up your job. This machine definition ties together three main components: the schematic model of your machine tool's components, the control definition that models your controller and its capabilities, and the post processor which generates the required code to make your machine operate. For all of the tutorials, we will be using the default machine. Now we will set up our tool settings in stock. Click on the plus in front of Properties and select Tool Settings. Input in a program number 1. This will input a program number at the top of your NC code. Enable the option to assign tool numbers sequentially and warn of duplicate tool numbers. Assign tool numbers sequentially will overwrite the tool numbers from the library with the next available tool number. Warn of duplicate tool numbers will warn you if you input two tools with the same number. Next, I will enable all of the advanced options. This will keep the clearance, retract, and feed plane values you input and carry them over into the next toolpath. Select Stock Setup. Ensure that the shape is set to rectangular, and enter in the dimensions 4 by 6 by 1 inch. Enable the options to display the stock, fit to screen, and display the stock as wireframe. This will allow us to see the stock that we've just created. Select the OK button to exit the Machine Group Properties dialog box. Choose the isometric view and you will be able to see your stock in the red dashed lines. Note that you cannot select this geometry.